A truck was moving fast on the highway. The road ahead looked clear. In the distance, a traffic signal turned green. The driver continued straight, maintaining speed. Everything seemed safe. The truck moved closer to the intersection, but suddenly, in the same lane, a pickup truck was standing still. It appeared too late to react. The driver spotted it at the last moment. He tried to brake, but it was too late. Within seconds, boom! The truck slammed hard into the pickup from behind. The impact was massive. The pickup got crushed instantly. The truck didn't stop. It pushed the pickup forward, dragging it along the road. Sparks flew, metal scraped, chaos everywhere. The pickup was stuck under the truck, being pushed ahead. Other vehicles slowed down in shock. Everything happened in just a few seconds. A horrifying and deadly collision, caused by one unseen obstacle.